Welcome to the sunny and beautiful day here in Da Nang. I can't believe it. So today we have sunshine, blue sky and wind.
And it is 24 degrees.
24 degrees, yes. What a great day. My God, I really hope this storm is not coming. It's lingering around in the East Sea, around in the height of Quy Nhon. So I hope it just dissolves at all. Like, it does not seem like it's moving quick. It's moving very slow, but yeah, I hope it will stay like this, or probably not. We are now in the Chao Thi Vinh Te Street. We're gonna take a stroll here to the left and show you what's new here. A very popular snail shop here, snails and seafood. Usually in the evening, on the daytime is something else. They're selling mi quang here. This is a mi quang pop-up for the daytime, and in the evening they have a snail shop. You can buy snails. We got a bakery over here. Salted coffee for 50 cents. Here you can find lots of local treasure. Very good. I've done so many videos here about the food. It's always great, and so many different types of restaurants here you can find here in the Chao Thi Vinh Te Street. I will show you the sign where it is also now. Stay with me here. It is very wild to walk. Pavement report wise, it is not good to walk. You always have to walk on the street. But yeah, this is the street. We are in the Doba and Chao Thi Vinh Te right now. And this is where we're gonna walk. There's also another Banh Mi here. So if you like Banh Mi, but the An Thung one is too full, you go here. It's less crowded, but same quality, very good. And we have a fruit store here, smoothies, with a Wind March. Another barbershop. I went here a few times, but they messed it up once and I never came back. But usually they're very good with normal haircuts. Just don't do the beard thing. What else do we have here? This is pork belly here. It's also a very good lunch spot here.
It's a Japanese bistro.
Oh wow, I think that's new, man. Dude, that's new.
Seems new.
Yeah. They have sashimi, sushi, and some other Japanese dishes. It's very popular here. Very popular. Popular is also ramen and everything like that. Yeah. Van tacos. Interesting. It's $1 something.
Oh, there's burritos too.
$1 for some burritos. Wow, this is crazy. Look at this. Everything like that is $1. Nice. Korean barbecue over there. Mr. T is still the same. Healthy. Rao Mai. Mao. I don't know what that is. Looks like matcha. Matcha latte? If you want to have the cheapest matcha latte in the world, probably it's here. Then we have a motorbike store here. Repair. If you have a flat tire, just go there. They fill it up. Usually they don't want to have anything. I just give them tip anyways.
This is new.
Yes, that's brand new.
Well, what is it?
I have no idea what that is. It's sandwiches. Okay.
Yeah.
Antoi. And another Japanese store here. Chidori Izakaya. Sandy Bay Apartments. Before they had a convenience store here. Now it's bubble tea and
like tea.
Coffee, tea, something like that. Huh. Interesting. I'm wondering if my Bunda Mam Tom place is still there. I hope so.
Ah, yeah, I remember. That was the one place you brought me.
Hey, it should be there, Marcus. I think it's closed. Dude. Or am I stupid now?
No, it's there.
Oh, it's there. Okay, okay. Then this place is the same like in the front. Okay, guys, all good. I think it's still here. We have Torino Bakery. If you have a sweet tooth, try this one out. But yeah, I have also every single place in my Google Maps guide. If you want to come to Da Nang, stay long term, short term, you will have the best places in my Google Maps guide. So get my Google Maps guide right now, here. And the Bunda Mam Tom place is still open. Perfect. I gotta go back, man. It's not that busy now. But in the evening it's busy. So they are still in business. The whole time I'm here, they are still in business. What is this? Another Indian restaurant?
Wow.
Curry leaf.
To be honest, there's a lot of Indian restaurants, right?
Yeah. And this is one of the favorite pork belly banh mi's from David. From Sunshine Block. Very fatty pork belly, guys. I cannot handle that. And we have a dumpling place here. That's pretty good too. And yeah, I had it. No, I had it 1 year ago with Emma one time. It's a Korean barbecue too.
But it seems new.
And here, Marcus, this is where you have to go. The church here in the Antung. This is the Antung Church. What a beautiful weather. Now we're gonna walk the Horn Kivim Street. Lots of things have changed here too. Lots of things. So this changed as well. This I went there often with my wife to eat some snails. Now it's something else. There are lots of spas here, left and right. And then lots of places just demolished and rebuilt in the last 6 months here.
Okay.
Dong Song Maison. There are lots of.
also like a really nice coffee.
Yeah. It's onigiri. It's those Japanese rice balls. Oh, the breakfast spot is still open. Breakfast 18, it's called. We had it one time, right?
Yes, I've been there once.
Yeah.
You can say this is the officially Spa Street.
Spa Street, and this is a brand new full market. If you haven't been here for a few months, this was not there before. Brand new full market, even a big one. I think they need 3 weeks to build a full market from scratch. It's crazy.
But this is also probably not for us, but it looks new.
Yeah.
Brand new.
Lashes and brows. Wow. We have a glasses store here. A cute dog. Xin chào.
No.
Hello. The Moon Apartment. I have reviewed this place also on my social semi channel. And then we have the Winfast VF3 customization, tuning, Werkstatt. Huh? Garage, yeah. Look at this. There's so many VF3s, super cool ones. And it's called very sketchy though. It's called Dubai Care Da Nang. I absolutely love it.
This reminds me a little bit on this show where was it?
Pimp My Ride.
Exhibit.
Pimp My Ride,
yeah,
right?
Yeah, Pimp My Ride.
Look at
these
this.
VF3s.
Ein mit Brembo Bremsscheiben. Wow.
It's interesting.
So if you own a VF3, look at this. This looks like a Brabus or something. It looks like a G-Wagon. Dude. Look at how mean this looks. What?
Wow, look at
This is
the
so
face of
cool.
the car.
The face, it looks very angry. We better go, man. Else it will take away our lunch.
The lunchbox.
Yeah, exactly. They will take away our lunchbox. All right, guys. And this here was a bar. And they just completely demolished the building. And what is very interesting here, it's hello. So they have, I'm not sure what it is. Do you think those walls are not safe, or not sure what they're doing.
It seems like they will build it on metal.
Oh, so it's just gonna
house.
be one restaurant or something. It won't be a real house, right?
But also maybe you are right. They put it on because they're putting now the basement stuff. So to stabilize the left and the right so they don't fall in.
It's very interesting that this building has no. It's you see the bricks. Yeah, exposed bricks. We are here in the Antung 10th Street. So the closer you get to the beach. Hello. So you closer you get to the beach, the smaller the numbers go. Now it's Antung 9, 8, 7, and then at right in the opposite, the parallel street to the beach is Antung 1. Lots of construction there, but also interesting apartments there. We just reviewed it on our German channel. $300 apartments right at the beach. Crazy. Yeah. Two bedroom, yeah. Okay. Ah! And the brouhaha. Alright guys, this is where we started yesterday, so thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video here and see you in the next one.